this is Niranjan and welcome to Spatial. Guys, I am here with the review of India's most talked and most hyped wireless neckband. Whether it is on YouTube, social media like Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, there is the talk of this wireless neckband. I am talking about this Realme Buds Wireless 3. Yes guys, this is the most talked and most hyped wireless neckband right now in India. It is because this neckband comes with active noise cancellation and spatial audio with the cheapest possible price right now. The buds comes with a price tag of 1699 or even 1599 during the launch days and in sale days. It is now available with Realme official website and app as well as on Amazon. I'm going to do a full review of this product and let you know whether you should go for it or not. Let's get started. Oh my God. Around the features, this neckband comes with 40 hours of battery life. It has Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, which is latest version of Bluetooth, so there will be no problem in Bluetooth connection. It has 360-degree spatial audio, which provides surround sound effects while listening to music. It has good effect rather than this stereo effect. At this price point, it comes with the active noise cancellation, which is really surprising, because before this boat has already launched the 525 Nirvana, which is now priced at 2799, higher than this. But this neckband at a price tag of 1699 comes with active noise cancellation up to 30 dB. It has also a gaming mode, which the company says that it has 40 millisecond low latency gaming mode, which you can activate via the app. And also the earbud comes with app support, so that you can customize the short audio effect, game mode, spatial sound as per your preference. So specs wise, this neckband comes with loads of features. Now coming to the physical configuration of this earbud. This earbud comes with this black and white color combination as well as yellow, black and other colors too, but I like this black and white combination because it looks really good and appealing. Then it has silicone neckband, which is very soft and comfortable to wear. I have already worn it and felt it that it's really comfortable and soft. You will feel great while it will be around your neck. The bud has two side housings. The right side of this earbud housing contains the buttons. The first one is the ANC mode and transparency mode button. Then it has a long button having three switches. Center one is the mode switch, then the two switches at the sides used for increasing and decreasing volume. For charging, it has Type-C port and it supports fast charging. Within 10 minutes of charging, you can get up to 25 hours of music playback, what company claims. And also the right side contains the microphone. It has single microphone. I am surprised to see that a single microphone provides active noise cancellation. I think Realme must be using some AI technology to reduce the background noise and clearer calls while on call. Then the left side of the earbuds has only the Realme branding and nothing else, and it houses the battery. The wire connecting to the neckband and the earbuds is of good quality. It's flexible and strong. Then you have these two earbuds, comes with magnetic on and off feature, means while you taking these earbuds separated out, the earbuds comes on. You can see the light coming while it is getting connected. Now it's connected. Now if you magnetically connect this earbud, then the neckband automatically switches off. This feature really good and helps in battery saving. There are two vents in each side of the earbuds for air passage. And the magnetic locking and unlocking feature here are good. The magnets are strong and you can see the sound. The tips provided here are of good silicone material and it fits the ears properly, and the earbuds are really light. That's why you won't feel any discomfort while wearing these earbuds for a long time. Let's check out the sound quality being captured by the microphone of this wireless neckband. Now you can see the video being recorded here while I am using the microphone of this wireless neckband, and the wireless neckband is in transparency mode. Now let's switch to NC mode. I have switched to NC mode and I can feel the difference that the overhead fan running over me creating noise, and the noise has been reduced. Whether the noise cancellation also applies while recording the video, let's check it out. Okay, from the video that we just checked for the microphone testing, you can see the microphone quality of this wireless neckband is really good, and it captures a good audio, but the NC mode and transparency mode doesn't apply while recording the video and using the microphone. It just gives you the feeling of NC mode and transparency mode to your ears, but it doesn't apply while recording the video. Now let's discuss about the goods and bads of this wireless neckband. This wireless neckband excels in all the features like battery life. It has a really good battery life, around 25 hours. I have already played that and tested it, and once it gets charged, it will give around 25 hours of playback without any interruption or searching for the cable. Number two, the sound quality being provided by the diaphragms of this earbud. It's really good, and in spatial audio mode the sound quality is awesome. And in terms of sound quality, I can compare this sound quality with premium earbuds of mid segment like Jabra Elite and Sony mid-range earbuds, but not of the premium quality sounding earbuds like WF1000 XM4 and AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, 1st Gen and Jabra Elite, because in those earbuds you can see the sound separation of every frequency, and you can hear clearly every instrument very precisely, but here you can have some noise in the earbud. So as per sound quality, this earbuds provides excellent sound quality in terms of price point at this range, and the bass is really good due to the large diaphragm drivers. There is also facility for increasing the bass through the app, which is an excellent feature being provided by Realme for this neckband. Then number three is the NC feature, which works well while you're listening to music, and I appreciate that by using the AI algorithm, Realme has provided NC mode such a low price point of this neckband. It cancels noise up to 30 dB, which is really good, and the transparency mode is awesome. Yes, while you are wearing the earbuds and in transparency mode, you can see the surrounding noise reaches to your ear precisely, and you feel like you're wearing nothing, just like AirPods Pro. You will have the surrounding sound effect around your ears while in transparency mode, and listen to every happening around you. And it also features the game mode, which is a really good thing because of availability of Bluetooth 5.3 version. The latency is really low, and you can play games. You can have the benefit of this neckband. The build quality of this earbud is premium, which adds positiveness to this neckband. Then support for spatial audio, that's a main positive point of this neckband. Spatial audio support by this neckband adds another feather to the beautiful features of this neckband. Spatial audio helps in enjoying the music in a surround sound environment, and you know, Airtel Wink Music has launched the Dolby Atmos music content in its Wink Music library, and you can have the benefit of enjoying the Dolby Atmos sound songs by using this neckband while you are in spatial audio mode. Then coming to the cons, the main con I have noticed here is the presence of an open Type-C port, which is really bad. Company at least should have provided the cap so that dust and water shouldn't get into the port and damage the motherboard. Then the absence of LDAC support, which was being given by the previous versions of Realme neckband. Now there is no LDAC support for this neckband. So these are the pros and cons of this neckband I have described. Now coming to the end point, whether you should purchase it or not, as per my viewpoint, this is a must-have device for everyone, because it comes with loaded features at such a cheap price point, and with premium build quality features. This is the best wireless neckband available in India right now, and you should go for it without hesitation. And with this I am ending with my video, and if you like the video helpful and informative, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.